Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ramli Roams World. Today I am in Abu Dhabi, Manar Abu Dhabi. In the light compass, there are around 12 installation of something related to light. It's one of it, and it's all over this place for around 1 kilometer plus. The one light blinking is it's a recycled shipping container. We will go one by one and I will show you all of this. There is a drone show at 9 p.m. That also we will see that. Just for an information, if you are coming down, there is a coffee shop on the other side, that side, and here the food court. Okay, so you have everything when you come down to Manar Abu Dhabi. Oh, I think I came to the same place. It looks like another entrance. Okay. They have done some sand dunes. That is really giving a natural look to this location. Hidden sets. Okay, let's see what it is. Powder coated steel, glass, piers, lights. Okay. Here we go. Hidden sets. And it says a white garden rises beside the trees. Look up and see tiny glass drops shining like rain. Okay. Step inside and feel the quiet. Okay, let's go and see. I think I will get some information from them. Let's see what information they can share.
Welcome to Eden.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
What is this about?
So this is.
Yeah,
No, please.
anyone.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
So this piece is called Eden. It is created by the female artist Pamela Posinsan. She's a Malaysian artist. And so she comes from a background of architecture, and what she's done is she's made the entire piece out of steel. She's painted it white, and then she's used glass crystal spheres to represent rain dripping down from glass, leaf forms.
Correct. Which is this one.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And so additionally, she draws her inspiration from nature. She often visits rainforests and caves, and these are themes and features that you normally notice within those, in a cave when it's dripping from the roof. That's where she draws her inspiration from. And similar to rainforests, when you see after it's rained, water drips down from the tip of leaves.
Yep.
And so she, excuse me ma'am, please don't touch the spheres, thank you. And so, sorry about that.
Problem.
And additionally, because she likes to be surrounded by nature, what she also does is she draws her inspiration from it and then implements it in most of her work.
Okay.
Now, when you're walking through this piece, she wants you to feel a sense of peace, serenity, and calm. The entire piece is painted white for that reason, and white typically represents peace, calm, serenity, but also purity. And so that's the idea and concept behind it. Now, the
Okay.
artist herself,
From Malaysia, she's from Malaysia.
yes,
Okay.
she's imagined that the entire space in the art piece is kind of like it's rising from the sand itself, or like growing the same way that a tree grows out of the ground.
Okay.
And so the entire piece from the bottom glows, and you can see how like the light bulbs are shining and reflecting on the sand.
Yeah, yeah.
She's said that this kind of amplifies that feeling. And so when you look closely at the raindrops, you'll be able to see the entire piece reflected within one raindrop, but
Okay.
from different angles. And during the day, you'll see that the horizon is flipped. So whatever's on the surface is like it's flipped upside
okay,
down. So like
okay.
the trees look like they're growing
correct,
upside
correct.
down. And so
Oh.
that, I think that's just, I don't know if it was intentional or not, but it's
Yeah.
very beautiful.
You're really beautiful.
Excuse me, ma'am, please don't touch the raindrops. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
That's
thank you
it.
so
Thank
much.
you
Thank
very
so
much. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, you too. Wow. We have the whole information, and that's very nice. Let's walk and see inside the one. Let's try that. If I'm going very fast. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think yes. It's okay. There's not much crowd. Otherwise, it's very difficult to take videos. And here, there are some privacy subject. We shouldn't take the video or photo of others without their consent. Let's try now. Okay. Okay, it's going that side. Let's. Wow. Okay, they're taking pictures. So this idea. Another installation. It's named Alcove. Perception into end. Okay, you can read that. Aha. It's built inside a 6-meter recycled shipping container with liquid crystal laminated glass walls. Wow. Okay. It reads sensor and translated into shifting sequence. Very good. Let's go and see. Okay. First shipping container. That's a good news. Recycled. Wow. Here we can see the container. Wow. Here. Beautiful. sensors. Okay, that's wow. Okay, we'll go and see the next installation. It's very, very nicely made. The whole area. That is almost entrance. Probably it's more than 1 kilometer, the whole kind of circle. And it's a time for drone show.